My chicken is washed and clean, everything. I'm gonna add some Cajun. Well, this is Creole. I'm gonna add some Creole, some Cajun. This is Slap Your Mama, some Sazon, some onion powder, some adobo, some little paprika, little seasoning getting to me, and some garlic powder. Now, if you want to make this buttermilk, you can always just mix all this up or soak your chicken first in buttermilk and then season it up, or you can mix it all up and just add some buttermilk and then let it sit in the fridge for like 30 minutes to an hour. But I'm gonna do it a bit different. Today, no buttermilk, we're just gonna crack 2 eggs right inside and mix. Then you're literally just gonna mix it all up. Growing up, I always used to add mustard to my chicken, always. It gives it a crispier texture, and it also gives it a different flavor, something my mom always did, so I kind of adopted it. So now we're ready to bread, and in my bag, I have flour and cornstarch. So when I tell you there's so many different ways you can make that macaroni and cheese, we're using different cheese flavors, different cheese types, and different flavor seasonings. Here we have some Gouda, some extra sharp, some Monterey Jack going in.
What's the next thing?